Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from cozcreations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4 here in sunny Florida. This girl just got back after being away for 2 months and I miss my space. I miss my space so much. It's 9:30 at night. We've been traveling for 10 hours and through the dirty clothes and the laundry, Rick made some nice quesadillas, sat in the lanai, stared out at our little world here, and then I looked at him and said, honey, do you mind if I just go fiddle a little bit? And he's like, go for it, girl. Couldn't wait to get in here. And what arrived yesterday, sitting on my front porch, were these wonderful edge canvases, and I thought, this is wonderful. Let's go ahead and do a long, cool landscape painting. We are working today on an edge canvas. This is a 6 by 36, and I am way down here, and you are way up there. Good canvases. I buy them in bulk or packs of 3, brings the price down. I wait for them to be on sale. I get them at Jerry's Artarama, and I love them. I absolutely love them. They're good, sturdy, well-made canvases, and they come in a lot of cool, funky sizes. So let's talk about our paints because they are yummy. Let's go over our froth or our beach. They're right here in these cups. I'm going to zoom down so you can see them a little bit better. This right here is a lovely piggy. This is TLP, and that is their White Haven, one of my favorite whites right there. Right here is Amsterdam Titanium White, and this paint, and only this paint, is mixed with the Aussie Floetrol. All of our other paints are mixed with my usual pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a healthy squirt of GAC 800. What I do is I keep my pouring mediums. Let me grab these for you right over here in these little cups. We have 1 container of GAC, a container of American Floetrol, a container of Liquitex pouring medium, and then water to thin down my paints if needed. The only paints I needed to thin down a little bit were my DecoArt paints because everything else was fluid. I apologize for my creaky stool, guys. Let's move these out of the way. Right here, this is fun. This is, right here is Golden Fluids, and that is their Paynes Gray. This right here is Golden Fluids in the Paynes Gray with a healthy squirt of Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Silver. And this right here is Golden Fluids in the Paynes Gray with a healthy squirt of Iridescent Silver and a little dollop of DecoArt Pure White in the Satin Enamel. So we just kind of step this down. This is going to be our ocean part. Let me get these out of the way. And these are some yummy colors as well. We're getting our DecoArt on as well. Right here in this cup, my favorite blue for a sky. That is DecoArt Americana, and that is their winter blue. I will list all these paints in the description box for you guys as well. My second favorite sky color is DecoArt Americana, and that is their baby blue. And this right here is DecoArt Americana, and that's Province Sky, another beautiful blue. And this right here is DecoArt Satin Enamel in the pure white. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to determine how much beach, how much ocean, and how much sky we're going to do. I think I'm going to go heavy on the sky to the water and then to the beachy area. And I'm gonna, just to keep this girl honest, I'm gonna tape off my sky area. Once I'm done with that, I'll remove the tape. What that does is it also gives you a little bit of a lip there. So when you're pouring your ocean or whatever is next, it kind of holds the paint, helps to keep your horizon line in there. But I can tell you this, guys, 80% of the time, I have to swipe that horizon line to straighten it out because we're working with fluid paints. Fluid paints move. Or once it's dry, I go in and I tape it and I brush paint a more perfect horizon line if that's the look that you're going for. What else? Our paint consistency. They're thin. I had to add water to the DecoArt paints. No water at all to the golden fluid paints, the Piggy, and no water in the Titanium White by Amsterdam, because remember, that was mixed with the Aussie Floetrol. Aussie Floetrol is very, very thin. So I'm going to have to turn my canvas this way to work on it, guys, but I promise to turn it back and forth for you to see what it is that I'm seeing in the whole canvas. We're going to do a flip cup sky, and then we're just going to kind of stream our paints and swipe as we go for the ocean part. We're swiping today with my paintbrush, which is damp, cut up pieces of paper towel. I'm glad you're here, guys. I'm more glad that I am here. I'm going to put some soft music on for me. Hopefully some good music on for you, and we're going to get busy. Reach out if you have any questions. Leave a comment in the description box. I always do my best to answer and acknowledge each and every one of you. Let's get busy, guys.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause places in the world I've been to. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
all that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go, but I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to all the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you'll stay till